Hello everyone. I was looking for one of the tripod and I searched a lot. Around 6 months I took in finding the different tripods. So at last I found this one, the Digitek DV tripod DTR 550 LW. So and this is the one of the best seller as well. So I bought this one around 6 months earlier and it is working very fine and very satisfied with this one. And this is very sturdy and lightweight as well. This is from Digitek. There are many features in this. 3-way head with adjustable pan, rubberized legs. There are accessories hooks. We can adjust it accordingly as per horizontal. This is bubble head. This is multi-purpose head. We set it horizontal or vertical like. And this is for the TV cameras. The maximum load is 5 kg and the height is 5.57 feet. There are other options like the diameters, minimum diameters. There is a weight of 1.2 kgs of the product, and there are different 3 sections. So we also get one cover with this. This is the quality of the cover is very nice. We'll change it back. Let's check the product. The build quality is very good and comparatively weight is very light, as the material which has been used is aluminium. This is model DTR 550 LW. So overall this is the handle for adjusting it. And this can be tighten or lighten from here. So this can be used for cameras, GoPros, and even for mobiles. And this is the attachable options. For mobile you have to get another connector which will be converted in the mobile holder. So I bought one that would come around 100 or 150 rupees. This one, as I am using it for mobile, so it is separately which need to be buy. So we can tighten it here and then we can hold our mobile. But this is for the mobile cameras and GoPros. So there are different options available in this. Let me show you. So this is the options. We can open it like this, and this is the connector. We can connect our GoPro or cameras here and then keep it back. Just rotate it like this and insert it back on the reverse side and leave it. So this is the balancing indicator as well. So it will show if the things has been balanced or not. There is a water or something liquid in this. It will help in balancing the thing, if it is balanced or not. And there is another option, you can move it like this. We can easy from here, and we can tight it. And there is a for to loose or lock, so it can be, neck can be easily, or it can be tightened. So there are many options, there are, everything can be adjustable. And if you will see, let's see more thing. And there is a rubber base so that it would not be slipping, and the design is also very convenient, so that it would not be moving easily. And we can lose it like this, we can adjust as per requirement. And this can be tighten or loose from here. You can tight it, and we can lose it. And for to expand it, one more thing, if you want to expand the neck, there is a handle. We can lose it for to make it easily coming out, and there is a handle, the neck will come out, and we can reverse it back, and we can accordingly make ease or strengthen. We can make it easy or hard. And there is a handle as well for carrying it. And moreover, there are different legs, we can expand these legs. And there is a accessory hook. And it can also be used to put the weight in case there is a very moving wind or something like that, and we would like to make it more strengthful, then you can hang something weighted here, so that it will be more stronger in the wind as well. And there are two more options for expanding the legs, like this. This is one option. You can tight it, and you can tight it anywhere, so it is not required to open it fully. You can adjust the length accordingly and push it back, so it will get adjusted there. As we are checking the length, so just open it full. So there is a one step, it has been another expanded, and let's expand it more. There are one more additional length. Just open it like that, close. So similarly we can adjust it anywhere, wherever the length we required. So these three legs are adjustable as per our requirement. So if you see, the length is very good. Let's see this. And we can also further expand the neck if more length is required. So see the length. So these are adjustable as per our requirement. Even it can be opened more like. So everything is adjustable. Let's check it again. Like we can do it like that, we can rotate it, like this, and it can be rotated like this. So wherever how adjustment is required, it can be fully optimized. And length also, as per our requirement, we can open these legs or close as per the length we required. We can also put some of the accessories we can hang here, and even to hang here for strengthening the legs. So it can be easily carry. So everything is possible in this, every rotations, every horizontal, vertical, or the length what we required. And this has been built in quality is very good. Let me show how we can attach the mobile holder, and we can buy this separately. Actually I just broke it down because I opened it previously and I was using it, and I just for to make the video I opened it very previously, and this has been some broken, got the cracks here, and so that would not impact. It is only 100 or 150 rupees. It can also be fixed with the Fevikwik or something like that. So let me show you how it can be used for mobile. So let's remove this, it will come out, and this is the mobile holder. Just you can also, there are two options with the height, and you can also put it as per requirement. So let me use it as like this. So there is a press button as well, so that you can adjust it and it would not be moving unnecessarily. So this can be tightened from here. So adjust it and tight, and then put it back and remove it here. So this has been attached as a mobile holder. So it can be used like this. We can adjust how the video needs to be prepared. it can be used as vertical as well as horizontal. So this is working perfectly, and we can use it as required. And if you want to attach other things like camera, just remove it and plug it out, and then you can insert it back. You can shorten the length as required. So I am very satisfied with this product, and it is all in one type of things. We can use it for cameras, for GoPros, even for mobile holders. Thank you for watching the video.